What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the scanner error 0x00000015 on your Windows 10 or 11 device. I believe I said all the zeros correctly. So let's get right into this. So there's an easy way to fix this. All you need to do is go to your search bar and type in services like how I did. And we're going to basically turn on a few services that are causing the problem, right? So the first one we're going to go to, there's basically 4 in total. The first one we're going to is a remote procedure call. This one, you want to double click into it and you want to make sure it's running. Yours might be stopped or paused, and you want to make sure basically it's running and it's started and on automatic, right? That's the first one. The second one you want to go to is called Windows Image Acquisition. This one, same thing, double click into it, make sure it's started, so mine is running, but change it from manual to automatic and then basically press apply and then okay. The third one is shell hardware detection. This one, same concept. Start it if it's not already started and running, and even if they are started, you can stop and then press start and then change it to automatic as well. Then press apply. And the last one is DCOM server process launcher. Same thing. Double click into it. If it's not, turn on, or again, even if it is, you're able to stop, start, automatic, press apply, press OK, restart your computer. You should be good to go. Your scanner's error that you're getting should not occur any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash that up. Guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification on, and that Mo Tutorials out. Peace.